everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a lobster tail in countertop oven. And it's very easy to make, and it's a super tasty and super delicious lobster tail in countertop oven. And let's get started. I have two lobster tails. The way I'm going to do it, I'm going to cut these open and we're going to take these out. I'll be using spices from masala dabba, parsley flake, lemon juice and unsalted butter. So let's get started. So first thing, we're going to cut it open. Get a kitchen scissor and we're going to cut this one. Just like that. Cut all the way up to the back, like this. Then get a butter knife. All the meat is attached to the shell. We're going to pull it from the shell, just like this. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. Once we are done like this, then grab it from here, then split open like this. See how nicely it comes out. So now we grab the lobster tail and lift it out. We're going to close it at the bottom and put it on top of this, just like this. So I'm going to cut it open the same way the second one, then I'll share with you. This is what I have done with the lemon and butter. I melted the butter and put the lemon inside. And now we're going to use all these spices to taste. Parsley flake. Get a brush, mix it well. And this is going to be our coating. Place the lobster tail on top of it, just like this. We prepare our marination, all the ingredients, and we're going to brush them off. Once the lobster tail is nicely coated, we'll place it in oven. Place the tray. I'm going to use the countertop oven and we're going to preheat it. So we're going to use a turbo convection and the temperature will be 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll start it. Within 15 minutes, it's all done. It took 5 minutes to preheat and now another 10 minutes. Lobster tails are done. So I'm going to pull those out and I'll show it to you. I'm going to turn it off and I'll open it. Lobster tails, they are nicely done. Let me share with you. Lobster tail is all done. Within 10 minutes in countertop oven, they are all done. As I mentioned to you, since I did not preheat, I just put it straight. It takes 15 minutes because it takes 5 minutes to preheat, then another 10 minutes. We all done. I hope you like this lobster tail recipe in oven. If you like it, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.